Today I'm making vermicelli stir fry and mix with this one and like stick noodles. Here are my ingredients: cabbage, onion. I mix with scallop and I mix with the shrimp. Mix the garlic and remove the garlic and put in other container. This onion. That's the onion. Saute that one until golden brown. So I take out this one now. Put some garlic a little bit. Again. Cook separately the shrimp so that it won't overcook. It's no good to overcook. That looks nice, pretty, yeah, pretty. Don't have to be overcooked. Put some salt a little bit. I take out the shrimp. Not to overcook. I saute the vegetable. This is how separate saute. So you don't need to be cooked all together again. Overcook. Put scallop in there. Seasoning. Remove the veggies and put the hot water. That one. That's how. Don't like to be overcooked. I blanch with the hot water, this one. And then it's gonna be soft. That's how the pancit, you put it now. That's how pancit. That's pancit. My pancit is done so yummy. Easy to cook. Add up your veggies. And mix all together. And the shrimp. And it's done. Looks pretty. That's done. That looks nice, eh? That's all my pancit. Pancit, it's done. Noodles is stir fry vermicelli done, and you put a little bit of this pure sesame oil, the sprinkle a little bit, and it's done. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Subscribe if you like my noodles stir fry vermicelli. See ya. Bye for now.